Hey guys, hope you're all fine and shine. Today we're going to share with you some beautiful ideas that could make your home an automated place, and you can run your many devices and appliances with your voice. Yes, it's easy and makes your life more comfortable than before. I hope you've used the Google Voice Assistant or Apple Siri in your cell phones, because these functions make your life easier and save your time efficiently. Now it's time to tell you about the 15 home automation ideas, and I will tell you about each idea one by one. These ideas are so amazing and fantastic because all of these smart ideas will try to make your life exciting and bring happiness to your home through their incredible functions. So now, let's start it one by one. Number 1. Lighting automation. At number 1 is lighting because we're often too busy or exhausted after work and we just don't have the energy to turn on the light or the fan. We just want to take a rest. So to handle this issue, we must install smart lights and fans which could connect to our smart devices. And in this way, we can just control the lights and fans in your home with just your voice. For instance, turn on my fan. Then your fan will be turned on. And if a bulb light is irritating you, then you can simply speak and it'll turn off. However, you can control all your fans and lights with smart apps on your phone, and by simply tapping the option on your mobile screen, you can control all of your fans and lights easily. Number 2. Entertainment automation. The next idea which can make you happy and entertain yourself is the home entertainment automation. Because by installing a smart entertainment device like Alexa, Bluetooth speakers, and Wi-Fi sound systems, you can easily control your entertainment mood and play any song just by asking, "Play the song Diggy Diggy." So if you install smart speakers and smart entertainment devices in your home, then you can easily listen and enjoy what you want. Number 3. Security automation. The third one is most important because it's related to your home security. So by installing smart and hidden security cameras outside and inside your home, you can easily get 24/7 surveillance of your home. There are many smart cameras available on the market, and they can be connected through Wi-Fi so you can see all the activities in your home, outside or inside. Number 4. A smart security bell. By installing this bell at your door, you can easily see the person without opening your door. You just have to connect your smartphone with this bell, and whenever a person presses the bell, you will see a notification on your home screen. So by clicking it, you can see the person, and if someone comes at night, your smart bell will open its flash and send you a clear picture or video of the person. Number 5. Climate automation. Yes, to live in a house without proper temperature is impossible. So to make it simple and automated, all you have to do is install a smart climate control device which will work according to the temperature. You can also program the shades and the drapes to open and close automatically based on the position of the sun and home occupancy. You can even install smart humidifiers and AC units and program them as per their desired temperature. In this way, these smart devices will maintain the required temperature in your home, and you can even control them by touching a button. All the stuff will be handled by your phone. Number 6. Energy-friendly automation ideas. No doubt, energy is the basic requirement of your home, but installing energy-friendly and smart devices in your home could help you save a lot of money. So installing solar panels on the roof and running your appliances on solar energy, especially on a sunny day, could decrease your monthly bills. And the installation process is also very simple and inexpensive. So we must try to make our planet energy-friendly, and it can't be done without using solar energy. Number 7. Smart alarm system. To wake up or sleep on time is too difficult in our city life. So to make it easier, you have to install smart alarms in your home or connect your cell phone with smart speakers. In this way, your alarm system will help you to sleep or wake up on time. So you should install this feature in your home if you're lazy and sleep the whole day away on weekends like I do. Number 8. Automatic entrance door. If you're irritated or angry over the opening and closing of your main front door after coming home from the office, and you feel irritated to come out of your car, then this smart door is very important for you. You just need to install the gate, and by clicking over your phone, your door will automatically be opened. And when you park your car in your garage, it will automatically close. So it's a real interesting feature, and you must enjoy it. Number 9. Laundry automation. If you're washing your clothes and don't know when they complete their cycle, you can connect your washing machine to your cell phone and get notified when the cycle is done. So if you're low on memory like I am at times, then you can use this automated feature in your washing machine, or you could buy a smart washing machine if you got the money, like me. Number 10. Fire alarm system. This feature is really important because of your home security. So by installing a fire alarm system, you can easily save your house from burning. So you must install them to protect your home sweet home rather than rely on local rescue services. By the way, we must salute our rescue departments because of their humanistic services. Number 11. Trash reminder. By installing a trash reminder on your cell phone, you'll never forget to take out the trash. You can adjust the timing and days to get the trash, and your cell phone or smart garage will let you know about it. So if you often forget to throw out the trash into the dustbin, then you must use this feature on your cell phone or install a smart device to get the notifications about it. Number 12. Smart gardening. To keep your home with greenery looks beautiful and fascinating. However, to make your kitchen gardening smart, you must install Parrot Pot to monitor the activity of each plant or herb regularly. If you're not at home, then you can easily monitor your plants remotely by simply using your cell phone. So if you're a nature lover like me, then you must install this device to keep your plants healthy and beautiful. Number 13. A carbon monoxide detector. Install this detector to save lives in your home, because carbon monoxide is truly dangerous and can kill a person in minutes. So by installing this detector, you can easily monitor its presence, and on detection, it will raise the alarm. So it becomes necessary and must be installed to save lives. Number 14. A smart pet feeder. If you're a pet lover and go outside your hometown many times, then you must install a smart pet feeder device in the cage, because it will be connected to your cell phone through a mobile app, and you can control the pet feeding while you're doing your work remotely. Number 15. Smart ventilation and air purifier system. Lastly, the most important thing that you should install in your home is the ventilation and air purification system. This system provides you with fresh, clean air, which is necessary for good health, and in today's world, due to pollution, we have less access to fresh air. So if you need clean and fresh air inside your home, you must install it with this smart system. You'll always get fresh air, and you can easily control this system through any smart device like a PC, tablet, or smartphone. Now it's your turn, guys. If you want to get rid of small problems, then suggested smart devices are the best way to make your life easier than before. You should purchase them and install them through a professional person, because these are small devices, but to install them properly is very different for you and I. I hope you've enjoyed this latest video on smart automation ideas. If you want to reach your favorite content over YouTube, then don't hesitate to write a comment in the chat section. Finally, if you like this video, then like our channel and press the bell icon to get our latest videos on our channel. I hope you like our next video on smart ideas. Just stay tuned and keep watching.